Hope you're doing good. Micah back with another video. Back here to talk about the Apple Watch. My first ever Apple Watch. Which one did I get? Well, if you guys are interested in these videos along with other smartphone tablet reviews, software feature breakdowns, and accessories, make sure you guys ignite the like button, subscribe to the channel, the notification bell, so that way you know my videos, so that way you and I can sit back and see what's cracking. Now let's get into the video. Which one did I get? Well, that label, I don't know if that means anything because I haven't really paid attention to labeling like that. I have the space gray aluminum 44mm sport band SE model, first generation. Yes, I opted for this one because I haven't decided whether or not I really want to wear this like all the time, and I definitely know I want to use it primarily for fitness. So let's see what I got. Opening this up isn't really all that hard. Ta-da! Kind of heavy, if you will, as you know, because you get a lot of packaging. So as you see, we get what I hope to be is a space black or space gray band. So let's open this before we get to the watch. Upon opening this, anything? I'm not seeing anything yet. Oh, half of it is in here. I don't know what other half. Oh no, wait, is it? Yeah. I don't know what the other half is. It's kind of crazy because it does look a little blue, but no, it is black. It is black. So we have that, and I need to find the other half of this because I don't know where it's at. That's interesting. All right. So move those out the way. Let's come down here for the moment of truth. Okay, what in the world is happening here? Is it not usually? What in the world? All right, well, I was not expecting this, and that's because your boy already has it on, baby. Let's go. Let me clean this up real quick. Beautiful boxing, by the way. Just very, very intuitive by Apple as ever. But yes, I've been rocking the Apple Watch SE first generation for a couple days now. And you know me, I'm gonna love classic watches. Pretty good. Like I didn't realize how great the software really felt from like a touching perspective and being able to scroll around on it. Now of course I'm rocking this more brighter based wallpaper here. Press this. I mean, it's very good. Like, I don't really use a lot of those apps down there, at least not yet. I'm sure there might be a way to do so. But I'm still learning the experience of using an Apple Watch. And I find it to be very fun, very intuitive, and also at the same time basic, which is fine with me because I really don't need to have that much out of my watch. I primarily use this to keep track of my fitness. So that way my data is a little bit more accurate than my Oura Ring. My Oura Ring I only use for sleep now. I use this as my everyday tracker, and I'm like this close to going double watch in terms of wearing one watch on one wrist and one watch on another. And that's because I wear traditional timepieces too. So this will be on my right wrist that I normally wear watches on. And then I would put a traditional timepiece on this one and just go double fisted in that way. I'm very, very tempted to do that because wearing this has been actually a delight. Originally, I thought this was like blue, but it is indeed space black or space gray. And I actually like that. So as I said, my wife has two of these. She had a 40mm in pink, and she has this space gray in 44. Of course, I'm not gonna wear the pink one, and the 40 is more fitted for her wrist. So she was bittersweet in handing this one off, but she did to me, so that way I could experience this and not actually have to go and really outright spend money to grab one. If I could be fine with this one, and so based on, look at indentures in my wrist though. Goodness gracious, am I wearing it too tight? But this has been a joy, surprisingly, because now my fitness daily tracking results are way more accurate, and that makes me feel good because now I can close my rings a little bit better, and this is very encouraging to continue working out with. I'm currently on the 10.3 WatchOS 10.3 RC build, which is basically the official release that will release a week later, and I will drop coverage going forward on WatchOS updates as well as bands and whatnot. I may actually have another video coming up about some bands that includes this one. And if I can find the other half, this will go back on it. So that way I can go full black. I do have some stuff coming in. So be on the lookout for Apple Watch content now, along with my iPhone content, my iPad content, because this is part of the everyday life now. I love the fact that if it will focus, the red ring around the power button is cool. They do have a second generation SE model that has the S8 internals in it, or the Watch Series 8 chip in it. The first generation has the S5 chip in it, and most of that internals, because this dropped alongside the Watch Series 6, and then with the Watch Series 9. So was that literally last year that they updated the SE to a second generation model? It's very possible that they actually did that. Actually, maybe it wasn't 2022. It's probably 2023 that they actually refreshed with a second generation line with the S8 internals. And I wouldn't mind getting the SE model from that one, but I would like to kind of take advantage of the double tap feature. And I don't know if that's on the SE models on the S9 and like the regular series line. I would like to get a stainless steel model because, again, I'm a traditional timepiece based guy, so having the stainless steel would definitely fit more into my into my wear, like going out and stuff like that. And then when I'm lounging around the house / doing fitness activities, I wear this one. And then that would be my watch flow with Apple. So let me know down in the comment section below what you guys think about the SE model. Do you have one? Do you have an Apple Watch? Which ones do you have? Watch face suggestions. I will drop a video showing my top 10 watch faces that I use right now, and if I use any complications. Right now I've been going back and forth with those, but I do have some watch faces that I do use, and that can be in a subsequent video. But again, as always, if you guys haven't already, make sure you guys ignite the like button. It's free. Subscribe to the channel. It's free. And hit that notification bell. It's also free. So that way you never miss our video. So that way you and I can sit back and see what's cracking. It's your man Micah signing out. Until the next video. Chop up Snoopy and wait for